Hello everyone, I'm Soumya. I have done my internship at Smart Interns, and the internship title is Intelligent Customer Help Desk with Smart Document Understanding. This is based on AI. This is the dashboard of Smart Interns, and when we go to Workspace, and this is the place where we can proceed our work, process our work. This is a project details. A detailed information is given in this, and if we have any queries regarding this project, we can put it on Slack. The mentors will solve the queries. And this project is based upon IBM Cloud. And first of all, we have to create an IBM Cloud account. And when we go to catalog, we have to create 4 services in this IBM Cloud. Go to catalog, and first we have to create a Node-RED. This is the Node-RED. We have to create this. I have already created. In resource list, we can see this Node-RED. Click on this Node-RED. Our Node-RED is running successfully. Then click on visit app URL. Now click on this go to Node-RED flow. It will take you to this Node-RED flow. This is the Node-RED flow I have created. And come back to this IBM Cloud. Click on catalog. And now go to Watson Assistant. We have to create an account, create an Watson Assistant. When we go back to this resource list, under services, we can see that Watson Assistant. Click on that. It will take back to this, and click on launch Watson Assistant. And here, first of all, we have to create a skill. By clicking this create skill, you can create a skill. I have created my skill as chatbot. And we have to specify the entities, intents and all. By adding this, by clicking on this plus create intent plus mark, we can create the entities, intents and all. And when it comes to dialog, we have to create a dialog to connect our nodes, and we have to give the responses according to that. And we can try it. If we see good morning, the chatbot will answer us like saying hello. This comes under greetings. Okay, like this we have to do. And coming to this assistant, we have to link our skill by creating an assistant. Create an assistant. I have created my assistant and placed my skill in this assistant. And when we go back to this, create a catalog, click on catalog, and next we have to create a discovery. And this is the discovery. We have to click on that and create a discovery. And when we can see the discovery in services. This is the discovery, and click on launch Watson discovery. This is the service where we can place the document and all. It will store the document. It will manage the data, and I have created upload your own data and I have uploaded project manual. First, we have to upload documents by clicking on this. We have to select this. I have uploaded a document called Echo B3 and we have to click on that configure data. And in this we can see identify fields, manage fields, enrich fields and all. Under this identify fields we can see the labels, and we have to select labels according to this, and we have to place it over here by dragging this. And manage fields, this we have to enable only the fields which we have used in before one. Only I have enabled this. And we have to split the document, we have to select one. I have splitted my document according to my subtitles. And enrich fields is nothing but we will do nothing over there. And when we go back to this, and now we have to connect the discovery with assistant using webhooks and IBM cloud functions. And now we will create a cloud function over there. And this is the one we have to do, and click on this cloud functions, and here you can see this start creating and all, and go to actions. In this we can see already I have created this, and the package name I have created function assistant. Sorry. This here we have to write a code and we have to invoke it. This code is saved as .js, and when we invoke it says no result yet, it will take some time, and this is what it is showing us. And whereas parameters, we have to give a parameter values. This environment ID, collection ID we can see here. When we go to Watson discovery, in this we can see collection ID, configuration, environment ID. Copy this and paste it over here. Here we have to paste it. And whereas URL and API key, when we open that, it's starting, it will show us. And when we go to runtime, this is node.js and endpoints. This one we have to copy this URL. Oh, sorry. You have to copy this URL and paste it over this Watson assistant. You have to paste here. Click on options, webhooks. Here we have to place that URL. And when we go back to this dialogues, here I have created one dialog, ask about product. It is based on the product information and it is linked to webhooks, so that we have to click on customize. We have to on this webhooks and click on apply. You can see this, and coming back to this, here we have finished that. And when we come to Node-RED, This is the flow I have created, and click on this. This is the functions I have given. This is the code I have given, and done. You have to click it on done. And we can see this. We have to create this what we have created into the query input, and this group we have to create a group, and we have to enable this and click it on done. Click on this assistant. This is the name of the assistant, and API key, it is mentioned in this is the workspace ID. Go to Watson Assistant. Here click on this view API. This skill ID is placed over there. This is the workspace ID, and assistant and API key, and the service endpoint is nothing but this the API key of this Watson Assistant, API key and URL of the Watson Assistant. We have to place it over here. Click on done. Whatever we have done, this by clicking on this, it will show the description of this, and by clicking on this, this is the code we have written. And after doing this all, after connecting this, we have to deploy and confirm your deploy, and here it is successfully deployed. And now when we go here, click on this, and this is the output. We can see whatever we enter here, the chatbot will answer you. Suppose if I say hi and I have submitted, see, you have given hi, and you can see this bot is given, the chatbot is giving hello. And if I give, suppose, how can I set the time, if I give that, if I enter that query, I have given how can I set the time, it is giving the output like this. This is the one I have created, which will answer the queries what we have entered. Thank you so much.